Hey, good to see you. Meet the EA021, the most versatile 3-in-1 access control device on the market. It combines a Wiegand controller, a Wiegand card reader, and an OST-PASP card reader into one sleek, compact unit. Crafted with a premium aluminum alloy housing and tempered glass panel, it's built to impress. Global protocol support, card and PIN access, IP66 waterproof, anti-tamper, plug and play installation. 5 modes, simple switching, single or multi-password, Wiegand, OST-PASP, maximum flexibility, swipe card or enter password, multi-password, user ID plus code, fast, flexible, secure. Broad RFID support, wide temperature range, low power consumption, compact, durable, intelligent, your next-gen access solution.